So, yun yung isasubmit natin sa upload box ng income tax return is yung filing reference lang. Ayan, or the email na tax return receipt confirmation if nag-EBIR form tayo and the proof of payment. So, ayan. So, proceed na tayo sa next upload box is the audited financial statements. So, nakalagay dyan, audited, but actually, yung unaudited is dyan din natin i-attach. So, it's either unaudited or audited FS. And of course, yung statement of management responsibility, kaakibat yun ng ating financial statements na upload box. So, dalawa. So, next natin is the Form 1709 and its attachments. So, actually, hindi to applicable sa atin because ito lang yung may mga related party transactions. So, most of us naman is wala yan. So, leave it blank lang or wala tayong i-upload dyan. So, the next items natin is the tax credits 1, 2, and 3. So, ayan. So, ano ba yung mga files na i-attach dito? So, dito na yung papasok yung ating 2307. And if ever, ayan, may 2306 kayo, 2316, if mixed income earner kayo, may compensation din kayo. Ayan, kailangan nyo din i-attach dito sa tax credit. So, BIR Form 1606 if you're sale of real property. Ayan, so in most cases, hindi na to masyadong nag-a-apply sa atin. It could be yung applicable sa atin dito is the 2307 and the 2316 if ever mixed income earners tayo. So, dalawa yung applicable sa atin dito. So, next, yan, may 2 and 3 because this is meant if ever, madami kayong 2307 in case large taxpayers nga, yun, napakadami ng 2307 nila. So, they would need additional upload boxes. But in our case, ayan, pwede nyo i-blank lang yung number 2 and number 3. So, let's proceed. So, yung last na upload box, so, ayan yung i-attach natin dito. BIR Form 23004. That is if applicable lang, payments not subject to withholding tax. So next is the tax debit memo. Hindi din to masyadong apply sa atin. This is for the large or the companies that opted to be issued with the tax debit memo sa kanilang mga tax credits. Ayan. So, eto, number 3, if ever may mga prior years excess credits tayo, so if may overpayment yung 2024 natin na ITR, so kailangan natin i-attach yung 2024 natin na ITR. So, yun, yung previous na return, i-attach natin dyan. So, next is, ayan, if amended return, nag-amend kayo ng return, so yung original return, kailangan yung i-attach dito sa others. And then next is the proof of e-submission naman ng ating SALT or the summary alpha list of our withholding taxes. Ayan, dito sa others natin ilalagay. So, next is others. So, other files that would support our income tax computation or our ITR.